think it's recording. Yeah, it is. Hey, this is Hans the Ramen coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today, I've got this. This is Snapdragon Tonkotsu Ramen. It says it's spicy. They used to have like a Kyushu style spicy, I guess. This one just says spicy Tonkotsu ramen flavor. So we will do this up. Today I'm doing everything in the microwave, which I know you might be thinking like, dude, yeah, it's been a little while since I've done any of the show. Well, I don't know, when was the last time I did a review? Was it last Friday? Yeah, I think it was. Before the kids got back to school. There's a liquid one, another liquid one. Right? Is that how it works? I thought there was another. Where's the vegetable one? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Is this already not going well? Did I just throw away the vegetable one? I need the vegetable one. Oh God, what day is it? What's going on? I don't know where the vegetable one went. It was right there. Now I've got to go look for the vegetable sachet. Maybe it's on my desk. I will look. Do you know where the vegetable sachet is, Louise? No? Oh, this is lame. I bet you I just threw it in the trash. I don't think I did, though. I looked in... No. Vegetable sachet in the trash. Okay, that's clear. I can't see very well, so... let's just throw that in. And I believe... do we do the liquid as well? Where did that go? Okay. Yeah, it feels like it's been a month since I've done one of these. Okay. So we do add this one, and then we wait on this one. So that is what's going on here. And then I'll explain things and tell you what's going on. It's, I was not at all planning on doing any reviews at all this week whatsoever. I really don't have much on hand to review at the moment. So, okay, where's that frickin' fill line? There it is. So right up to there. Okay, and how long you want? You want 2 minutes. Okay. Putting down a plate for safety. And then we will get going with stuff and things. There's the plate. Here's the noodle. And it doesn't say, it just says for 2 minutes. So I'm gonna do it for 2 minutes. There we go. So Sunday, I went and I went and I got a thing to mount my computer under my desk. Let me show you. I'm pretty stoked on it, to be honest. And here is the dog, and here is the desk, and here's the computer mounted underneath the desk. It's nice. Needed some cardboard to make sure things all worked out. So now I've got all this room on my desk. So that, coupled with some other things that went on, I jacked up my back bad. And that really sucked. So ended up just my back hurts. So what I did was, let's see, Monday? I'm confused because it's Wednesday. What did I do? Did I do that yesterday? I don't know, I'm befuddled. But jacked up my back and then went and hit the city next city over, and it was just killing me. I mean, I've had some serious pain lately all over, and I found a couple instant noodles. The one I'm doing today and the one on the next episode will be the two that I found in Lake Forest Park, which is a town over that way. And so those will be this episode and the next episode that you'll see. So yeah, that's kind of where we're at on this episode. There'll be more info soon. I'm hoping this thing didn't explode. It doesn't look like it did. But it does look like it did. Look at all that corn. What a weird deal. Let's see how this went. I'm curious. I'm not... Well, it said leave it in for a minute to cool, so we'll leave it in for 1 minute to cool. There. We'll see how that works out. Hopefully the minute to cool actually adds more to it, but 2 minutes definitely got the water nice and hot. I'm just using room temp water, so. Yeah, good. It is Wednesday, the 28th of February, 2024, if you were wondering. Yeah, that made a big difference. But this is supposed to be a spicy tonkotsu. The vegetable content kind of weirds me out, but it'll get a chance. Are we almost done here? I gotta pick up the kids off the bus in like an hour 15, so I'm trying to run through these really quick. Okay, now we got our oil sachet. And that's going in like so. And I'll use that on the next one. So let's take a look at what we got in here. Nope. So this is supposed to be a tonkotsu, huh? I'm smelling like oddness. There's the noodle. We'll give it a try. The noodle is all right. I repeat, the noodle is all right. There's the broth. Okay. It really, it's not pleasing. The thing I don't like about it is that this so-called tonkotsu flavor, it's just not. It does have a spiciness. I'll give it that. But I'm really just not impressed with the flavor. It's just kind of there. If anything, it tastes more like a stewed pork. This tastes more like a Chinese variety rather than like some kind of Japanese variety to me. I don't know. It's just not. It's not fitting the bill, folks. It's not doing the deal for me. Well, we'll gussy it up and make it look all nice. this morning. So we will egg it up as well. Egg it on, egg it up. With an egg. Man, it is just like windy and cold and gross outside. It's really, yeah, I really wanted to go out walking, but I just can't take it. It's just too much. Just too much. Way too much weather going on. I can handle rain. I can handle wind. But rain, wind, and cold, forget it. That's just not my thing. A little bit of that. I did get mung bean sprouts. I have not had mung bean sprouts on hand for quite a while. But it just seemed like a day to do that. And we're gonna add some seeds. I mean, it looks nice, but that's about as far as this stuff's gonna go. Shichimi, why not? Did I put that away? There it is. Out there. It does have a nice little bit of spiciness. It's not like mind-blowing, but it does the trick if you're looking for something with a little bit of zing. Slightly zingy. So yeah, watch it spin around a little bit. All right, thanks for watching. The next one you're gonna see is a bowl, and it's this. This is Choi Restaurant. Where is it? Instant soup mix, restaurant quality. It's chicken flavor, and I believe Nong Shim makes this for this Aces company. So that'll be the next episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.